y'all. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some delicious barbecue turkey ribs. Oh yes, if you haven't had them before, you should definitely try these out. Today is the last week of the Spring Forward Challenge. Here we have washed our turkey ribs. Now we're going to go ahead and season them up. So I went ahead and chopped up some onions, green peppers, and yellow peppers. If you have red peppers, use them. If you have, oh, and I didn't have my minced garlic here. You need some minced garlic in here as well. So we're going to go into with some red crushed pepper flakes, some garlic powder, onion powder. We got some smoked paprika. I put a little bit of turmeric in here as well. I used some Cajun seasoning. And of course we use some black pepper as well with some W sauce. Worcestershire sauce, I call it W sauce. Okay. And then I am going to use some better than bouillon. You got to have that. Okay. That roasted chicken base. So yeah, then we're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And once you're done seasoning up, get everything rubbed all in on all sides. Then add your veggies and then cover it with some aluminum and let it rock out in the oven for about 30 minutes before you start putting on your barbecue sauce, okay? I told you need that garlic, so don't forget that garlic. I hope you're having a blessed day. I hope you've been enjoying the spring challenge, okay, the Spring Forward Challenge, and me bringing some delicious dishes to your home from mine. All right, I appreciate y'all for watching all of the videos. So go ahead and get you some water or some chicken broth and cover it up, and there you go. This is what we came out the oven looking like. Baby, when I tell you those ribs was hitting, they were on point. Okay? Fire. Got to cook with flavor, baby. Alright, y'all. Dinner is done. Quick and simple. Simple, some jasmine rice, some green beans I steamed down, and that turkey rib I'm about to get in. For watching. I wanted to say thank you to all of the participants who participated. Indigo, thank you, girl. Hey, girl, hey. Tweety, thank you so much for joining this challenge. Thank you so much, Mixology99. Shout out to you, love. Thank you so much. Sassy, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a playlist, y'all, so check out their recipes and check out mine. Wall, Blue Plates, shout out to you. Thank you, hun. Tristan Bell, thanks, boo. I love it, Kimberly Black. Thank you so much. I am so excited. This was really fun. Just read my book. Thank you, boo. I appreciate you. DC Purple Diva, I appreciate you. Check out that playlist. Spring Forward, y'all. Demetria lit all day. Thank y'all, and happy Easter to all of you guys. Many blessings to you and your family. Okay? Now, as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed, and peace out. Later.